Today, I'm sharing fashion mistakes I wish I had avoided when discovering my personal style and what you can do to fix them. They may seem like minor details to some, but these are genuinely game changers and could have saved me a ton of trial and error, and they might do the same for you too. One mistake that I see all the time, and one that I've definitely made myself in the past, is ignoring the importance of seasonal fabrics. Wearing heavy materials like wool in the summer or linen in the winter doesn't just look off, but it can also feel incredibly uncomfortable. Take wool for example. It's perfect for the colder weather because it's naturally insulating and keeps you warm, but in the summer it traps in heat and moisture. Definitely not what you want when it's 90 degrees outside. The key is to choose fabrics that match the season so you can look good but also feel comfortable. Now when things heat up, consider switching to fabrics like linen or even cotton. These fabrics are breathable and lightweight, which will help keep you cool. Personally, I like to let loose in this season and wear more casual clothing. Light Oxford shirts or even graphic tees are great go-tos in this time of year. After all, when it is warmer, who wants to wear a ton of layers anyways? Now, when we're talking about the winter, this is a completely different story. When it is cooler outside, I tend to dress up a bit more just because I have more leeway with the weather. And honestly, it's a great chance to add complexity to your outfits by simply wearing a lot of the things you have in your wardrobe already. The colder months are perfect for heavier fabrics like wool, cashmere, and flannel. I always find myself layering with my wool overcoat, and I'll throw a nice knitted sweater underneath that. See, the key to finding the right fabrics for the season is about meeting someplace in the middle with practicality without having to sacrifice on style. Choosing the right fabrics isn't just about being prepared for the weather, but it's also about giving your outfits purpose. Because trust me, when your outfit feels as good as it looks, it'll show. One area that is often overlooked is overly branding clothing. Wearing too many logos or brand names all at once can look overwhelming and feel unnecessary. Instead of showcasing your personal style, you end up looking like a walking billboard. Now don't get me wrong, logos can work, but when every piece that you're wearing is screaming for attention, that's when it starts to feel cluttered. Now I'm sure that this way of dressing has completely gone by, but the point is, focus on creating your individual style rather than letting the brands speak for you. The goal here is to prioritize style over status. Great style isn't about how many logos you can fit into one outfit, it's about having thought and balance into every look you put together. Sometimes high quality unbranded pieces can look a million times better than having designer head to toe. If you're looking to wear that standout branded item, make it the star of your outfit. It's about creating harmony so your outfit looks intentional and not excessive. At the end of the day, style is all about making those pieces work for you and not the other way around. We've all made the mistake of buying cheap clothes because they look good or they're on sale. But here's the thing, those $10 polyester shirts or synthetic blends might seem like a steal initially, but they're not built to last. After a couple of washes, they lose their shape, then the fabric feels thin, and they definitely don't feel the way that they did when you first purchased them. Eventually, you'll end up having to replace them, which in the long run costs more money. This year, instead of purchasing cheap fabrics, consider investing in quality. Spend a bit more on those shirts that are going to stand the test of time and that are going to be worth the investment. Things like 100% cotton, linen, or merino wool. These materials aren't just long lasting, but oftentimes they feel better against your skin and help elevate the appearance of your look. For example, cotton is a staple for its versatility and comfort, while linen offers a lightweight, breathable option. Merino wool, on the other hand, is known for its softness and temperature regulating properties, making it ideal for layering. Not to mention, these fabrics age more gracefully, developing a character and quality that fast fashion brands can't replicate easily. By choosing quality over quantity, you'll create a wardrobe that looks sharper, lasts longer, and reflects your personal style. In the long run, you will be thanking yourself because ultimately investing in those higher quality items means less replacements over time. Another mistake that I've seen, and one that I've definitely made myself, is following trends without really considering if they fit your personal style. We've all been there. Something new blows up and all of a sudden you just have to have it. But just because something is trending doesn't mean it has to be for you. Feel free to add those new sneakers that you've seen online, maybe even a nice cardigan on top of that. This way you're technically in trend, but you're still incorporating those things that feel like you. There's really no rules to this, just build a wardrobe that you genuinely like and can see yourself in. That's really all that matters. Feel free to use those trends to enhance your look. That decision is completely up to you. When it comes to looking your best, it's not just about what you wear, but it's also how you take care of yourself. Personal hygiene and self-care play the biggest role in how you feel, how you present yourself, and your overall health and wellness. Things like maintaining your grooming routine, keeping your skin in check, and staying in shape can make a significant difference in how you present yourself. First off, hygiene is an absolute must. Regular showers, deodorant, and oral care are the foundation. If you don't feel confident in those 3 areas, it doesn't matter what you wear, your confidence won't be there. I know that when I'm wearing the right cologne after a round of self-care, taking a shower, or even just getting a haircut, it can completely transform my confidence. For cologne, I really love wearing my Chanel Blue, and I recently spoke about that in a video. I'll leave that here for you to watch. When you smell good and all of those check boxes are marked, it doesn't matter what you're wearing. I could be in pajamas and I'll still feel like $1,000,000. And now let's talk about skincare. It's not about using a ton of products, but it's about taking simple steps to keep your skin clear and healthy. A basic routine of washing your face, using moisturizer, and applying sunscreen can really go a long way. If you're looking for a good recommendation, I'd recommend this brand COSRX. Not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it, but their product line is so vast. I'm sure you can find anything that you're looking for. Keep in mind though, skincare is very subjective, so the way that these products react on your skin depends on your skin type, so just use caution when you're trying these new products. And don't forget that your hair and beard, if you have one, are just as important. A well-maintained hair or beard can really make a difference in the way that an outfit looks on you. I know you might not think it, but how many times have you left the barber shop after a fresh haircut feeling like a brand new person? For beard maintenance, I'd recommend buying a beard trimmer and then having some beard oil along with that. I really like this brand by Shea Moisture, and I think they make some great products for that. I think that a lot of people forget that under your beard is still your face, and that's just as important to maintain and moisturize, so feel free to invest in a good quality beard oil. And if you're looking for good shavers, I'd recommend the brand Philips Norelcro. They have a great product line filled with hybrid shavers that I think work great. I also really do like their one blade line because you can also do close shaves with that as well, which is a game changer, especially if you just want something that's really quick and easy. And let's not forget going to the gym and staying active, because that is just as important. Going to the gym and staying active has several upsides. First, it can help boost your overall confidence. It can help improve your posture. It can help your clothes fit better than they ever did before. It can improve your sleep. And don't forget about hydration and eating well, because as they say, you are what you eat. Drinking plenty of water and eating the right foods can improve your skin, energy levels, and overall appearance. Now, you don't have to go extreme and go full David Goggins, but these small habits are the foundation of feeling and looking your best. At the end of the day, it's about slowly shifting those habits and taking those steps every day to live a better and healthier life. Because something as simple as just drinking more water can really positively affect your body. And that's truly the secret to looking your best. Wearing clothing that doesn't fit you correctly is the quickest way to ruin a great outfit. The thing is that fit makes a huge difference, and when clothing fits well, it just looks better. If you find yourself in a formal setting, a shirt that fits well should sit comfortably on your shoulders and chest, not too tight and also not too loose either. And the same goes for pants too. You really want to make sure that they fit comfortably to your liking. The last thing that you'd want to do is be stepping all over your pants or even have them falling off. Now, of course, this part is really subjective because it really depends on the style that you're going for, but it is really important to pay attention to those proportions and be intentional with the way that things fit. Now, I do get it. Sometimes things don't fit right off the rack, but that's where tailoring comes in. If you have pants that are just too long or a shirt that just needs a little bit of shaping, you can take it to a tailor and solve all of your problems. It doesn't take much to find a good and affordable tailor, and we can really thank Google for that one, but really making those small adjustments can make all the difference in the world. Trust me, when your clothes fit properly, that's when the whole look really comes together. So do yourself a favor. If you find yourself out there shopping for new clothes, be sure to try these things on. One thing that I like to do when trying on new pants is putting the waistline around my neck. Usually this gives you a good indication in whether or not those pants will fit you right. Take your time to get the fit just right, and your confidence will shine right through. Building your wardrobe and defining your style isn't about avoiding every single mistake. It's about learning from them to find out what truly works best for you. The goal is to create a wardrobe that reflects your personality, serves your lifestyle, and gives you confidence to feel your best. But at the end of the day, this is really just my advice, so do with it what you will. Most importantly though, don't forget to have some fun along the way, because at the end of the day, this is your own personal style journey, and I hope to see you on the next one.